In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add design variations to your Printify Etsy listings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. If you're running an Etsy store and using Printify to fulfill your print-on-demand products, you know how important it is to make your listings appealing and organized. Adding design variations to your listings can help your customers find the exact product they want without being overwhelmed. This is a great way to showcase different designs or colors under one listing, making it easier for customers to browse and choose. To get started, you'll want to log into your Printify account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Products section. You should see a list of your existing products, or a button that says Add Product. If you're working on a new product, go ahead and click that button to start. Now select the type of product you want to create a listing for, like a t-shirt or a mug. After you've chosen your product, you'll be taken to the design interface where you can upload your designs. If you have multiple designs in mind, upload them now. You can do this by clicking on the Upload button and selecting your files from your computer. As your designs load, you'll also want to adjust any necessary settings. Make sure to check the color options that are available for your chosen product. If you're using a t-shirt as an example, you might have options like white, black, or even pastel shades. Remember, the more options you provide, the more choices your customers will have, and that can lead to increased sales. Once you have uploaded your designs and selected your colors, look for the option to add variations. This is crucial because it's what allows customers to choose their preferred design under a single listing. Printify offers a user-friendly way to manage these variations. You'll typically see an Add Variants or Add Options button. Clicking on that will allow you to create different variations of your product. You can label these variations according to the design or color. For instance, if you have 3 different designs for a t-shirt, you can name them Design A, Design B, and Design C. This is a great way to keep your listings organized and straightforward. Take your time here and ensure that everything is labeled correctly. Clarity will make it easier for customers to choose what they want. As you set up these design variations, don't forget to optimize your product descriptions and titles. Each design or color variant can cater to different audiences, so you'll want potential customers to understand what they are choosing. When you go to fill in the details, including a compelling product title and an enticing description for each variation is a good idea. Think about what features or styles might appeal to your customer base. Once all your designs and variations are set, you'll need to move on to the pricing section. Each variation can have its own price, depending on the design complexity or the costs associated with different color options. Make sure that your pricing is consistent and competitive. If you're unsure about what to set your prices at, take a look at what similar items are selling for on Etsy. Finally, once you have everything set up to your liking, it's time to publish your listing. It's just a simple click away. Once your product is live on Etsy, keep an eye on how it performs. Make sure to gather feedback from your customers and see if there are any additional designs or variations they're interested in. This way, you can continue to expand your offerings. And there you have it. You're all set to add design variations to your Printify Etsy listing seamlessly. Remember, presenting your products with variety can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Etsy store. Happy selling!